chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your
guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Well, your girl is watching Zoe. I'm listening to her song list as I am preparing dinner right now. So I'm making rice. So I'm making some rice, dumpling, and baked bean with hot dogs. I don't know how they're gonna taste because last time I made them, last time hubby made them and he didn't like the hot dogs the way it tastes up here. It tastes different from our Frank's back home. So I decided that I'm going to make them. I'm making them with a different hot dog. So I got my hot dogs cut up in here, and I already have my. We might go swimming later because the kids don't want to go swimming, and I gotta study. I got a test next week, so I was studying for that too. So that was the kind of the reason I'm playing hooky, because I went to my morning class and there was about maybe 10 people in class out of the 40. But then again, people have been dropping out of school like flies. People have been dropping out of school like flies. So yeah, so I'm just here about to cook. Hubby's on his way home early. I don't know if he's gonna go swimming with us.
Yes,
but
we're gonna force
we will see what's up. As you know, you hear Loudmouth over there on his game as usual. Summertime and the kids don't even go out the door because they're like, oh mom, it's so boring. They don't have nothing to do. Every minute they're bored. Oh, they want to go home. But I know it's been years since they've been home for summer up here. So they are so not used to it. So it's a different environment for them, I must say. And I find that they, even with the gadgets and stuff, they still get bored very easy. After a while, them start tormenting me because they're bored and then they want to do something. So, and then at the same time, I'm trying to find something to keep them busy, right? But you could only keep them, the kids' attention span is way shorter now than what it used to be. So I'm still trying to keep them busy. Yeah, so that is what I am currently doing. But I'm just gonna go. What are you having? No, this one's eating Baby Bell cheese. I know these things, they're so bloody ass expensive. Let me know if you guys have ever had this cheese. They're good, but they're bloody well expensive as hell. But I still love them anyways. Yeah. Hubby just took one look and he's like, what the is that? He's like, no. So, but yeah, I'm just here cutting up some vegetables and stuff to go into this baked bean and hot dog to go with some dumpling and rice, because hubby said he wanted some rice as well. I didn't cook. I need to go to the West Indian store in Canada to go get some Jamaican food, so I can cook. I kind of get tired of chicken, but say if me did in Jamaica right now, I would be boxing up some chicken back. But I will be messing up some chicken back, but I don't know, it just doesn't taste the same up here. So I don't think I've ever bought chicken back up here. So but yeah guys, so that is what I'm currently doing. Miss Fate's upstairs watching her show. That's all she do is cock up in my bed and they watch show.
He's talking to Jade.
She's not talking to nobody now. Maybe it's not the girl's secret for who she talking to. How you know say that who she talking to?
Because I saw her. Because it's her friend that goes to the same swimming as her.
Oh, okay, my dear. Yeah, and it is hot as hell outside. Like this heat wave in Canada, you either have it's too hot, where like just the air alone feel like it's stifling you, or it's too bloody ass cold and the air alone feel like it's stifling you either way. So when we get the good days, we're glad for them, but it is hella hot in here. Yeah, make woman want dash off then we can just run around naked. So but I am just here cooking because I want to get finished cooking early. Because yeah, the kids are going swimming, so I gotta go do that. And yeah, hubby's on his way home. I pretty much did my dumplings there. They're in the pot, and I got my pot on, and my rice is pretty much done over there. Yep, I got a pot full of dumplings. So I think the pot is hot enough that I can put the oil in. Okay, we just need enough oil just to pretty much cover the pot. You don't need that much. Are you going swimming? Yeah.
With Mario.
Yeah. Mario's on his way home from work.
Can we stop and get some goggles? I want goggles. Stop at the
So,
dollar store.
yeah. And as you see, I've got my stuff cut up here and stuff like that.
Yeah, small quick.
We're eating popsicle and
I've got my
ready. So let me just grab the baked bean.
A brownie.
They're always in the kitchen. Always in the kitchen.
That is good. That's
Oh,
like Annabelle.
We're not the only one. His thing is all falling now. Oh, you look like Annabelle, that scary person.
The scary
So,
Annabelle.
yeah, I know. I need to be vlogging more with my camera. I guess I'm still
Wait, what?
a little bit shy,
Can I have
but I also
popsicle?
need to
Thank
get
you.
rid of this thing. I gotta go look online and order me a better one. One of the smaller thing as well for when I'm vlogging.
Excuse me, there's only two, like the two ones. There's
So-
nothing going.
I think this is pretty much ready, so I could probably put these stuff in now. Like it looked like it's gonna storm outside. And of course, you know, your girl's gotta go in with her Maggi seasoning. So I use that one, and I also use the all-purpose. So this is the all-purpose Maggi chicken, and then you have the chicken flavor for those who don't know. So shouts out to my hubby for bringing those up. Yeah, guys, I still have a few actually Jamaican vlog I didn't even fully finish uploading because they were sent to me, and of course those got deleted as well. So but good thing hubby still had them stored on his phone, so I will definitely be putting those up. So look out for those will still be coming up. But currently I'm just gonna go put this in right now, and I will be back. All right, guys, so I got my hot dogs here cut up. Let me just put this over here. I know I need to start using my so I got my vegetables in there. I didn't put that much in, and I just put my hot dogs in. So, and this is how you make a hot dog. This is how I make my hot dog and baked beans. Heck, when it's taking too long, you just throw the whole thing in there. Some of it is stuck. So yeah, guys, so I am just getting this all done. So I would like to get it nice brown color. I let it cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so I let it cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So generally you can pre-cook, generally like to pre-cook the hot dogs to boil them, and then I will actually come and fry them. So I'll let that sit. I'll let it cook for a bit, then I'm gonna add my, so I just use this baked bean here and tomato sauce. That's what I use. Oh, and look who it is, guys. Hi, baby. You home? Nope. You look like a dirty rat. Hi, handsome. How was work? May I bun up for dinner?
Work was sleeping.
I know. This one decided that he is only gonna didn't want to go to bed last night and was up, and he got like, by the time he shut his eyes, his alarm went off and it was time to get up and go straight to work. So now he's trying to go get some shut eye before we go out. Well, good thing dinner's almost done. So you got the flour pretty much over there, as you can see. That is pretty much, oh, this smells so good. And your girl did season her hot dog, because I gotta season my food. I can't. Gotta make sure it's nice and seasoned and stuff. So I'm just letting this catch some more color. As husband Abby saying, it'll burn up. So I'm gonna let it catch some more color, because to me it's not colored enough. So I'm gonna let that sit for a bit, and then I will get back to it. Let me just wash up this stuff that I use. See, hardly no dishes because everything's clean. Okay guys, so I just added my baked bean. I let these bad boy cook for a little bit. So, and dumpling is pretty much ready. I know, one pot of flour. So well, that's okay. I just made enough, so tomorrow they can actually fry them. Hubby loves when they're cooked and fried, so maybe I'll just do that with some, I don't know. So I'll just probably fry up those dumplings if there's any left with some stuff. So this is what it looks like, and everything is added. So I'm just gonna let it sit and cover it with the pot cover and let it sit for a good 15 minutes, and then yeah, then it will be ready. So just let it sit like that. I'm gonna cover this pot as well, and pretty much it will be ready in the next 10 to 15 minutes. And that is it, guys. So guys, dinner is finished, so dumpling is done, and that is what it looks like. So I'm about to actually dish dinner right now. I'll be hungry, so I'm about to dish him dinner. We're about to eat, and we'll probably end up, yeah, I'm taking the kids them out swimming. This is dinner, so I am about to eat. Hubby's eating upstairs in the room because he's gonna go take a nap for a little bit. So me and Brissa are just eating, and the other two, they're not eating yet. So when they're ready, they have their food in the pot, they can dish. So we're about to eat, and then they will be able to settle down, relax for an hour before we actually go swimming. So I guess maybe they're saving their dinner till after, but I'm about to dig into my food. I'm taking these, my gang, swimming, because we were supposed to go. You're not part of the gang. They were supposed to go yesterday, and they didn't end up getting to go. So we are on our part of a gang. Way there now. See, look, Memphis, this is, and the kiddos are here about to go. Well, they're going swimming. I'm just going to go sit and watch them.
Memphis left versus goggles.
What?
No, Fate has that.
Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams just got home from work, so he is tired. Gonna go take a shower and eat some dinner. And oh, by the way, the kids cooked dinner. Yeah. The kids cooked dinner today, which was nice. 25 cents. You need 25 cents? So where you go with your brock pocket? Eh? I want a brock pocket man behind me. Eh?
Not Jock.
Don't no brock pocket. You me a call brock pocket man. Why? Brock pocket man I want suit. Eh? You just live. I favorite suit that they wear. I just living it, so them going in the pool while I am just sitting here. They're going swimming. Yeah guys, so I am just sitting here. Yeah, I went swimming last time, and I don't know, for public pool settings like this, I don't know if it's bigger and it's not so much people, then yeah, but other than that, no. Well, I didn't even go swimming. I just basically stood in the pool. So it's a pretty cool outfit. Guys, yeah, we just reached back. The kids, them, well, we just reached home. They had fun swimming. Well, 2 hours they went swimming for. And I sat there for 2 hours. So, Abby's here. Really, Wills?
Yeah.
You see your face?
Yeah.
It's like you're in trouble. So yeah, guys, I'm about to end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, your post notification on, and every time we upload a new vlog, you guys will be the first to be notified. So I hope you guys like this video, and we will talk to you in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and